Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. My name is Shane, and today I'll be showing you how to use a calculator. So, it doesn't really matter too much if you have an Android or an iPhone. Both of the calculator apps will be extremely similar. So, the first thing you would like to do is locate the calculator app on your phone. So, from here, you would usually see a zero if you did not use it before, and that's the same way a regular calculator would present itself, a physical calculator. So from this, you can do simple calculation. Say I want to do 7 times 9, 63. But what happens if I want to do more than just a simple multiplication problem? So first from here, I would clear the calculator. Then I would rotate my device. And then once you rotate it, you'll have a plethora of options to choose. That was this week's Tech Tip Tuesday on how to use a calculator. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you're interested in enrolling in a full class with us, please visit mittlerseniortech.com. Thank you for watching.